Hello everyone, today in this video we have another Apple factory defect repair video. This time is the upper speaker. As you can hear, the sound comes only from the bottom speaker. I know you can fix this issue with only replacing the speaker, but I wanted to show you the defect that in these models, which is the iPhone 12 Pro in this case. But this problem is present in all the 12 series. I am gonna test the speaker, and you can test it with only checking if there is continuity on the speaker pins. As you can see, there is no connection in the speaker. Just for a fast explanation, here's a simple diagram of a speaker. You have the outer housing, then there is a magnet and a voice coil wrapped around the magnet, but not touching it. It's actually glued to a diaphragm, and when the voltage is passing in the coil, it becomes electromagnet, and when you alter the flow of the electricity, it becomes frequency, which turns the sound for us. This is a very fast explanation. You can Google on how the speaker works. So we're gonna remove the glue around the plastic cover to open the speaker, so we can access the coil and see what's wrong with it. And there is our problem, the coil is cut. This problem occurred because Apple put a big speaker in the headphone speaker. You would think how this could be a problem. Well, I can tell you that this issue happens when people talk on the phone way too much, and all the face dirt and the pocket dirt goes into the speaker opening on the screen. So the speaker now is blocked, and the person naturally makes the volume up, and after some time the speaker can't handle the pressure, and this happens. This is not a big deal, and easily fixable, but when you pay premium price for a device, you don't expect for this kind of issues. But live and learn. Just solder the two sides back and that will do the trick. Note that you need to glue back everything very tight, so the sound doesn't escape and it would be the same as before. As you can see, we have continuity on the speaker, so we're all good to go. As you can hear, we have our sound back from all the speakers. So that will be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel for more interesting repair videos. And if you have any other questions, just leave them in the comment section down below and I will try to answer them. Or you can contact me on social media, the links are also below. Thanks for watching, see you next time.